Because other people, anyway, they're getting the videos. That is the confidence for them. If I stop video, then they will join the club.
Yeah.
But you people miss the practice if I stop. That's why I don't stop. No issue. So yesterday we discussed about the concept like how to navigate. Okay.
Mhm.
And how to work with that routing concepts. Okay. And lazy loading we discussed, right? Yeah. Now we are starting how to work with Ajax concept in React. Okay. Already we discussed Ajax in JavaScript, you remember, I think, right? Yeah, we used one function or that function to work with the Ajax concept in JavaScript. One function we used, what is that?
Fetch.
Which function? Very good. Now here we are discussing with the Axios. Okay. Open the command prompt. We are React app access app. Or new app I'm creating with new access. So access is also just like fetch. But so in fetch, two names we use it then. One is to access the data, another one is to convert into JSON form. Right? Yes. So like that, two times we use it there. But in this fetch, only one time we are using this. That's the concept. So here the data which is directly coming, that is in the form of JSON, which is coming from the API. So that directly converting into JSON. So that's why only one time we are using this page. Now open Visual Studio Code. One time we are using then function in fetch. Okay. Yes. Now open slowly. This is access. Okay. Still the project is creating. So meanwhile, so we are using one API service, right? REST API to get the countries information. Yes. REST API to get countries list. Now here, so an API. Okay, this API I want to call from our program. Now go to this src app.js. Now here, okay, in this app.js, I want to do this, okay, access. I want to take one button control. So type is equal to button. Value is equal to. So open the command prompt and use npm start. Again, npm start. Yes. When I click on this, I want to call a function. Yes. Use the function fn1. Now here, let function execute. Click on this function execute. Okay. Now what I am doing in this function. Okay, first of all, access package we need to install. In this package, we'll install. Now open the command prompt. Here, install. I'm installing the access. Yes, it is installed. Okay. Now, thing is, access has been installed. For import access from access. Imported access from here. Okay. Now in this function, access dot get dot then value access dot get. Yeah. So this is the get function. In this get function, you can specify the API service. Okay. Yeah. So it is the get function. Inside this get, we are using API service. So what that API service? Yes. REST get countries. The service. Now here paste now. Here in the data argument. Console.log. Then let's display the console message. Console.log. Then now console means right click, inspect. If I click on this, now it is calling that API. So we are getting the data. So data contains one more property. See, access always returns the information with the data property. Inside the data we have data means this is the variable which I have data. I will change this variable dt. Now refresh it. So when I click on this one, okay, now we can see this data is done. So dt is one variable which I taken to hold the Ajax object. Okay, it holds the Ajax object. Inside this dt we have data property. Okay, yes, we have data property like this. So dt dot data. So we have 250 countries information. Regular data contains 250 countries information like this. Okay. Yes. Now I want to display this information in the form of table. How can I display this information in the form of? Now you tell me. So here I am taking one table tag. Yeah, first let me take the table which I have taken. In this table, I want to display that information. How?
We use map.
Yes, when
Map.
we are using map. Yes, map function. Now, the keeping you from this. Answer. dt dot data dot map. One variable I've taken, one country. Now here, return. First of all, you see what are the properties we have in this. Yeah. The name is one property. It contains comma. Okay. Next one, population is one property. Yes. Name is one property. Population is one property. Next one, flags. Flags.png is one property. Okay. Next one, capital is one property. These four properties I want to print. Okay. Yes. Now, return. In this return, I am using here. Inside this here, I am using ed. Okay. Country dot name dot common avenue. Now, when I click on this, we are not printing anyway. Okay. So this information I want to store in one variable. Okay. Table data, comma, update data is equal to use data. Now enter this. dt dot data dot map. I want to place inside this table data. Yes. Not table data. Update. There I am placing. Yes. dt dot data dot map. Okay. Now here thing is dt dot data dot map. Entry return trtd one country dot name dot com. When I click on this, okay, so we stored in the variable. And then we clicking on this. మూసుకుంటాం ఈ పగలు రాకపోతేనే కొంచెం స్వెల్లింగ్ తగ్గింది స్వెల్లింగ్. Yes, we got the countries information like this. Yes, yeah. So name of the countries we got. Okay. Yes. Next. One more TD. One country dot capital. This is capital. Next, one more TD. Population. One country population. Yes, this is the population. And next one here, flag. So flags.pl. Now this is flags and okay. I want to take the image control. Width is equal to 100. In the image. Width is equal to 100 pixels. Now this is the image control. Yeah, is this clear? Yes. Yeah. This is about this concept. So like that, we are using this axis. Yes. 1 second.
We can fetch it this data from fetch also, right? Fetch JavaScript fetch.
What did that come again?
We can, rather than Axios, we can use fetch also, right?
Fetch also you can use.
So
But in fetch, 2 times conversion is required. Right? So then we use it twice.
okay, which conversion basically?
One is JSON conversion is required, right? So you remember that dot JSON we use it that time. Do you
Okay.
remember that?
No, I don't remember, but okay.
Is and wonder.
Check.
Huh? What is that? So in that program, so fetch dot then. 2 times we use it that dot then. Okay, one is to convert into the JSON format. Another one is first one is to receive the JSON object and convert into the sorry. First one is The Ajax object converted into the JSON format. That's the first one. Second one, again, receive that JSON format. Use another .then. Okay. Two times we use .then. Okay.
Yeah, got it, sir. Sir, but we used async and await there, right? While using fetch.
Yeah, we can all. No,
Is it?
async await is for calling the functions, not Ajax object. So we have
Okay.
two things. Asynchronous programming we have in 2 point of views. One is in Ajax point of view. Okay, one is in Ajax point of view, and next one calling functions in that point of view.
Yeah, got it.
Next.
So whenever we are calling Ajax calls in async method, then we need to use async, right?
One అవసరం ఉందండి. What is that?
So whenever we are calling Ajax calls inside async method, then we need to use await.
That is okay. But the async await we are using for what? Functions you want. You want to call the functions, we are using async.
Yeah.
Functions asynchronously want to call async, we are using. That time no need to use await. Yeah, function 1 is there, function 2 is there. If we use async to the function 1, then function 2 will not be blocked with function 1.
Yeah.
Yes, that is the concept. Now here, await we are using for what? You want to wait execution of some statements till the current process is completed. So that day, that Ajax object fetch we used. Okay, inside the async function,
Yes.
that fetch is taking some time to fetch the data, but to store the data in a variable, we use it await.
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
So
That is the concept of async and await. Okay. Yeah. Next. Yeah. So this is about fetch concept, fetcher access concept to get the data from Ajax object. Next, we are discussing post method. Actually, it is get method. Okay. Yes. Get API we called. We need to call the post API. So I did not find any API available in web with post method. Okay. That's why what I'm doing here is I will create one API using server-side program. So I will create one API using server-side program. That API I want to call, so that API I want to create with the post method. Okay, yes. Now we are discussing about the API. Yes. Okay. Now here, you want to create API, which technology we are using, client side or server side technology to create the API set?
Server
Yes.
side.
So it may be Java, JSP servlets, or .NET or PHP.
So you guys are teaching Vertex also?
Vertex.
Huh?
Yeah, Vertex means what is that?
Like REST API Vertex technology to make APIs, like REST APIs.
What is that?
Like REST APIs?
REST APIs with Node, I will explain.
Oh, okay.
I know
Node.
Node.js.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Hmm. Now, see, Node.js we are discussing. What is Node.js? Is a client-side script or server-side script? It
It's
is
server side. Server side.
environment of JavaScript. Node.js is nothing but the server-side environment of JavaScript. Okay. Yeah. Node.js we can use to create so API services. Yes, we are using Node.js in which point of view to create the API services. And also server-side functionalities we can execute. Now, Express.js or Express, anything we can call. It is framework of Node.js. Yes, Express.js is nothing but the framework of Node. So at the time of creating the API services, we take the support of Express.js. Okay. Yes. Next, Node. Using this program, we can run Node.js. Node.js file we want to run, then we are using Node program. Next, Node 1. It is same as Node command. Okay. It's same as Node command. But okay, it compiles the program every time when we save file. Yes. Yeah. Like this, we are using Node and Node 1. Is it clear? Yeah, Node.js is so just like other technologies, it has many advantages. Okay, it is JavaScript code only, but in server machine we are executing. With the help of one server, we are running the JavaScript code. Okay, so due to this Node.js only, so people are calling JavaScript is both client side and server side. Okay, because with node server, that program is running. With node server, that program is running. Yes, yeah. That is the concept of this. Okay. So actually JavaScript is client-side script or server-side script now. I told you. Okay. So Node.js is the JavaScript. Here in JavaScript, what are the concepts we use it? Promise. Okay. Next one. Functions like math related functions and parse int, parse float. Got it? Everything we can use Node.js, but Node.js is it running in browser? No, it runs with the support a server, right? That's why some people they are calling JavaScript is both client and server side because of this node. Okay, yes. So we need to install the node server. We installed this node server or not? Is it available in your system, node server? Tell me,
Like
is
npm and
yes. That time we
and
install Node.js, you remember?
yes.
So to get the npm, so that time Node, some version 20 point something. Okay, I don't know what was the version at the time of installation this batch because every day around almost for every week they change the versions. But anyhow, thing is, yes. Okay. So this Node.js is installed in our system. So the program which we are creating in Node, that program, yes, yeah, we can create, we can run through Node server. That program we can run through Node server. That's the main concept. Yes. Now, Node.js file extension should be dot. What the extension of this Node.js file? .js. Yes. The extension of Node.js file is .js. Okay. Now, see one program I'm creating. So, in desktop or else in your folder. Yeah. Open edit plus. Save this file with name nodefile.js. Console.log. This is node file. Yes, yeah. Open the command prompt. Now this is node file.js. Okay. Now node file. In which location it is created? So desktop. So then save as in your project location. Class. Yeah, here I'm creating. Open the command prompt. Okay, yes. And this node, node file.js. What is the output we got? This is node file. It displays that output. So this is not in browser. It is executed with the help of node server. Okay. Now here I am writing one more statement in this file. Okay. The console.log. Yes. Second statement. I have given. Now here, this is second statement. But whenever we are saving this file, okay, every time you need to execute this command. Appare I am using, and this is node command. So node mon if I use, so then no need to modify this file here every time. Means not modify. No need to start the command here. Whenever you modify this file, automatically that nodemon is calling. So see here, first nodemon to work with this nodemon, npm install nodemon. Nodemon hyphen g. We are installing globally. S hyphen g have given. Globally we are installing this. Now nodemon node file.js. We started with nodemon. Now what is the benefit of this? Yeah. Now here we modify any program where x is equal to 100, where y is equal to 200. X plus y I have given. Yeah. What is the output we have? 300 is the output. X is equal to 100, y is equal to 200. X plus y, what is it? 300. Now one more statement I'm writing here. Now console.log AB CD hanging. Now save this. Automatically ABCD is coming. Means that is the difference between node and node mark. Okay, statement executes automatically. That command prompt executes it automatically whenever we saved the file. But this node command is available with the Node.js installation. Nodemon is not available with the Node.js installation. So we need to install it separately. Yes. Yeah. So it is clear. Yes. Now, how to create the API service? I am not covering the company Node.js. Actually, to cover the company Node.js, it is separate subject. But to work with the cloud operations and database connectivity, we need to create API services. In companies, okay, yes. Server-side programmers are providing the API services. We're using those API services here. But here we don't have any server-side program. That's why we are creating the API services alone. Okay. So to understand this concept, that's why. So we are creating 3 to 4 API services. One is insert, delete, and update. like that. Okay, for this functional select, we are creating API service. Yes, yeah. So we are working with this API services. That's how much node is required for us. Only that area we are discussing now. Okay, yes. So it is clear. Hmm?
Yes, yes, sir.
Mhm. Now, express installation, I will discuss in next class. Okay. So with the express, how to create the API services, I will cover the next class. Okay. Just practice this simple program only. Create a file and run with both Node and Node1. But Node1 directly not available in the system. You have to install with the global mode. Okay, means global installation -g mode. Globally you need to install. Then you can use that command anywhere. Okay. Yes. Fine. I will upload this video, and so with this Ajax CRUD operations program is very very important. That CRUD operations program we are discussing shortly. Okay. Yes. See you in tomorrow class. You can drop now. Thank you.